There are many adjustable course settings within Oxford Insight to help you tailor the software to your classroom's needs. This video will provide an instructional overview of some of the available options. First, log into Oxford Insight and select the course you wish to edit. Switch from Instructor View to Authoring Mode. Under Instructor Tools, scroll down and click on Course Setup. From this page, you can adjust numerous features of your course, including the course title. Be as creative as you wish. Set a start date and open date. The start date should be the day your course officially begins, and the open date is the day you would like it to be open to students to access. These can be the same day or different. The score cutoff field determines the average percentage score for a student below which they will be considered in the red and will receive messaging on their dashboard accordingly. The Features section on the right side of the screen includes toggles for several OI options. The Calendar toggle will either show or hide the calendar of assignments for you and your students, and the Lesson Title prefix on Calendar toggle adds or removes section information for each assignment that shows up in the calendar. After all your students have enrolled, you can lock the course for new enrollments to prevent further additions. This is especially helpful at the end of the semester to prevent students from accidentally enrolling in the previous year's classes. Make the Study Center available to your students by toggling the setting in this section. The Study Center includes bookmarked pages for them to practice, as well as personalized study recommendations from the OI Adaptive Engine. The Shows Total Grades option will allow total scores to appear to students and instructors in the gradebook, the student dashboard, and on student deep dive reports. However, if your course is syncing rollup with an LMS, you may consider turning this off to avoid any confusion. The Show Total column on Custom Gradebook toggle only turns off the total scores that appear in the instructor's custom gradebook. Finally, you can also decide whether you'd like the text table of contents to appear on student dashboards. The choice is yours. But once you've made your changes, be sure to click Save Settings before exiting the screen. For more information or further help, please visit the Oxford Insight Knowledge Base. Have a great semester.